Greetings folks, this is an unboxing video for the brand new Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, a very ruggedly built military grade phone made especially for those working in field conditions. The phone could actually be used with certain types of gloves, which makes it perfect for those working out in the difficult terrain. Couple of features I'll first talk about and some information on the phone. This is the 64 gigabyte unlocked version ordered directly through Samsung. From the box you could see the phone is black in color. And just a couple of other quick tidbits regarding the phone. It has a 6.3 inch edge-to-edge screen featuring Gorilla Glass 5. It is one of the only phones in recent years that Samsung has released that has a removable battery. That removable battery, they say, is advertised to have a 14-hour charge. So let's have a look at the packaging here. Quickly look here at the manufacturing, made in Vietnam. Have a look at the contents quickly. Contains the phone, the wall USB charger, stereo headset, quick start guide, and the terms and conditions. So let's open this up and have a look inside. Side. At the top is the quick start manual, the warranty information and all. Then is the phone itself. Set that aside for now. The plug-in adapter for charging. The USB-C cable. Samsung headphones, and then the removable battery. Have a quick look at the phone. On the left side, the only feature, as you can see, this is called the XCover key. Press there. At the top, well, first on the, as you can see here, you have a front-facing camera. There. At the top of the phone, let's get the focus here. You see the microphone there. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then the top key. Then on the side, as you can see, the volume control, volume key, and then below that here, side key, which is used for fingerprint recognition. It has a fingerprint recognition sensor. Then at the bottom, of course, is the multi-purpose. As you can see, we'll focus in on that. The multi-purpose USB Type-C jack. And then, as you can see, the speakers at the bottom there. And on the back side, the rear dual camera. plastic off here, revealing the main part of the phone. So as you could see, pretty reasonably sturdy back. I will remove it so we could have a look inside. There we go. So as you could see where you would slide in your USB, your micro USB, where you'd slide in your SIM card. There you could see the manufacturing again, the 64 gigabyte. Give you a quick look again here at all the sides of the phone. Of course, at the top. So the headphone jack is at the top of the phone, as you can see. Alright, so as far as turning it on, I will have a separate video about that to show you the features once we put in the battery, turn on the phone. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.